Yes! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's like Christmas. Welcome to my boyfriend's closet. Yeah, I'm wearing gray on gray. I thought this would be a fun little video to do, you know, just to like lighten things up. So here's a lighthearted video on fashion, which I'm very well versed in. 4 weeks ago, almost exactly a month ago, I left LA to come to Victoria, British Columbia, just for a couple weeks and then head back there. So I just packed a carry-on because it was only going to be for like a week or something. And 4 weeks later, here we are. Not wearing many different things, hence the gray on gray. Pre-COVID-19, I was always decked out in the New Year anyway, so not much has changed there. I had worked personally with Lululemon in the lead up to the last Olympics, the 2016 Rio Olympics, and we were working together in the lead up to the 2020 Tokyo Olympic, which is incredible, and I love them so much, and they do such an amazing job, and I just love everything that they do. However, since the Olympics has been pushed back, I figured I would kind of partner with them and bring to you my quarantine kit. It arrived and it's like Christmas and I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's get started. I pretty much only brought 3 colors with me, black, white, and gray. So I opted for some more colorful things just to like wake up to something a little bit brighter, maybe put me in a better mood. It's called the LA Box Tee. And it, as you can see, is very wide. I haven't tried it on. Oh, this is wide. Cool. So I'm going to try this on later, but I love the color. I feel like it's going to be really nice over some leggings. I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, another colored piece. Beautiful little kind of like sage green. It's called the Cold Shoulder Tank. Couple things I love about this. One, the one shoulder trend, bringing back some 90s vibes, super in. Also, built-in sports bras. This is my jam. It's a 2-for-1. You don't have to put on a sports bra and then put on a shirt. You can just put on one. It's beautiful. I can't wait to try this on, and I love the color. Ooh, I don't remember this. This is cool. Okay, this is cool. Yeah. So this is black, but it had a cool, like a really cool little detail here, just to like funk things up. It has a little hole in the chest. Maybe not great for those that are like super booby. That's not me. Sleeve a little bit cropped. I sized up. I got an 8 in this, so we'll see. I don't like when things are too cropped. I'm normally a 6, but we're gonna try this on. You know, even though we're at home, be comfortable and a little spicy at the same time. That's what this is for. I am living with my boyfriend. It's been a month, so you know, let's spice it up again. This is another little cute cropped t-shirt. It's kind of a little pinky. Got this in an 8 with a cute little neck. You know, again, why not just wear something cute and comfy around the house? That's pretty much what this is. That's pretty much my MO. Cute and comfy. There was a time when oh, this material is so nice. This is their new Everlux material. And I don't even know why it's so good, but it's so good. There was a time when I hated the bike shorts trend. I vowed that I would never wear bike shorts. But here we are. Well, I just kind of like how they keep everything nice and tight, you know? I have a pair of bike shorts. They were quite long, and I wanted to try a pair that was a little bit shorter. This is the 6-inch. Yeah, it's a 6-inch length. I'm very excited for this. I got this in a navy, and I can already see these two going together. A nice oversized shirt over some biker shorts. Oh, I'm gonna be lighting up the living room. Another kind of a black item, but it's funky. It's funky. So I love me a good muscle tank. And here's a cool little muscle tank with just like a little design. Probably should have sized down in this. I probably could have done with a 4, but we'll see. Oh, I'm so excited for these pants. These are the Urban Stride pants, and they're kind of like a ribbed material. And they're kind of like a looser, straight leg fit. They fit like nicely up in this area around the buttocks and the waist, and they're kind of higher rise, so like with a nice crop shirt. Bam, new outfit. A nice lounging pant, but you can also wear this out. You could probably wear this to the office when we come out of this COVID pandemic. You could also wear this out to brunch with a nice little turtleneck. Oh, so many good things for that. Yes! Yes! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the All Hours belt bag. I am loving belt bags. One, just for travel. That's how I kind of got started. I would just bring my fanny pack with me on airplanes and stuff, and airports, and just have the essentials there. My passport, my cell phone, all the essentials, just so handy to have. And you could also wear it if you open it enough, which I didn't, but you could wear it kind of around your shoulder, and it could be kind of like a shoulder bag. But it would look cooler than this. Oh my god, the pockets. I love pockets. Oh, that's really, really cool. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, I love this. Thank you so much. The detailing is just beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. I almost forgot the Dynamic Days jumpsuit. Let's try it on. I'm into it. Connor! You like it?
Yeah. Turn around.
I have back pockets. On camera. Do you like it?
Yeah, that's great.